everyone, welcome back to Divine Creations, and today I would like to show you how to navigate through my Etsy shop to check out all my new listings. First, you always want to go to Etsy.com. You can type in Divon, Divon, or you can type in Divine Creations and you will be able to find my shop. So I typed in Divine, hit enter, and some of my items are showing up here, and I'm just browsing through. And you can browse through also until you find the template or the party favor of your choice. I also have another shop that's called Divine Prints, and that's where I create items that I am going to physically ship out. But my Divine Creations page is only digital items. Meaning if you purchase it, I will create it and email it to you, or you can purchase instant downloads where you will purchase it and Etsy will send you a link through your email or your Etsy account where you can download it whenever you're ready, and you can print as many copies as you like. As you see here, we're on my page and I have 4 items that are featured at the top. They are currently on sale, so you should definitely take advantage of any sales that I'm offering. And if you would like to have your own coupon to use anytime you want, definitely join my Patreon page because you will earn a 25% off coupon that you can use anytime you want. And that's an awesome deal. So when you're on Etsy and you're on my page, you can scroll up and down until you find what you're looking for. I recently added these really cute holiday labels. They're printable. You can use them as cake toppers, gift tags, pretty much anything. If you choose to put them on sticker paper or print them on copy paper, it's all up to you. Now let's check out my new template and mock-up. It's for applesauce. These are awesome for giveaways at your party, if you want to put them into your gift bags, your takeaway bags, or just decorate your candy table. I mean, nowadays, events are just blowing up everywhere. You can customize any type of candy, chip bag, snacks, just perfect for your event. And my new applesauce template and mock-up is perfect for you. If you are interested in purchasing this, I will put the link below. Now let's check out some of my Christmas tags. Christmas is around the corner, and we know we'll be giving all the special gifts only, for our children, maybe to send to their class, or our family members coming over to celebrate the holidays. And we definitely want to have unique and customized gift tags for them. Now here we have a nice design. Could be for a cake topper, could be for gifts, could be for the applesauce. It's all up to you. If you do need custom sizing, definitely send me a message first so I can make sure everything is sized perfectly for you. Other than that, those labels are printed at the exact size that is in the description. So you always want to read the description before you purchase to make sure that the labels and gift tags that you're purchasing are the correct size for you. Anything for the applesauce will be listed for applesauce. It will say it because their measurements are different than my gift tags. So here we have also a very popular listing of mine is my digital template for chip bags. You may want to try it yourself. This is the template you need. It is $4.99. I do often have a sale. Again, if you're interested in having a 25% off discount all the time, definitely join my Patreon page, and I will send you that coupon code that is special just for you to use whenever you need. So hopefully this video has given you more information on what my Etsy page looks like and how to navigate through it, because I am aware that everybody's not on Etsy. You may not have ever heard of it, but I thought this video will give you a good insight on how to navigate and how to purchase my items. So please enjoy the rest of the video. And as always, thank you for all the support, and I'll see you in the next video.